What up, YouTube? Back at it again. Today we're going to be working on some stuff. Going to be doing something pretty easy. Cleaning out the K&N air filter. I'm going to show you how to take that out, clean it out, put it back in. Super easy process. I just have a drop-in K&N filter, still have the stock air box, but just wanted to show everyone how to do that on the Camaro. Have an upcoming event coming on the 10th or 11th of April. Didn't make it the last one because it actually got canceled due to snow for the HOD event, but definitely got a couple more things to do. You guys saw in the earlier videos how to do the diff flush, as well as change the battery, doing the K&N filter today. And then you're gonna see a video for the transmission flush, and then I'm gonna do the clutch brake flush again with the Endless Racing RF 650 fluid that I've been using. So stay tuned, this will be quick. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, so I'm gonna walk you through first steps first. Locate the air box. It's gonna be on the driver's side. You're gonna have 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make sure you guys hit those on loose. No need to take them all the way out. Once you do that, it allows you to have access to go ahead and lift this up, and you can grab the filter. Super easy overall. As I said, I have a drop-in K&N filter. This is mine after just under 8,000 miles. This was done back at like 10,200 miles, something like that, 10,700 miles. The car has 18,200 miles now. So like I said, just under 8,000 miles. Back in 22, I know the year I tried and saw it was quite a while, but the car only really sees the track and autocross events, and occasional car shows. But overall, it's pretty darn clean. Trying to get you a focus here for you for the mileage and stuff like that, but gonna go ahead and get the K&N air filter kit and show you the next steps. Super easy. Highly recommend doing this, you know, at the recommended intervals. I think it's like every 12,000 or 15,000 miles. I gotta double check. I'll be doing a little ahead of time. Like I said, it's been sitting a little bit longer, so doesn't hurt. Might free up a little more airflow for the upcoming event. All right, guys, this is the exact filter that I'm using. For those who are curious on the part number, here you go. You can get this online, Amazon, local AutoZone, Rock Auto, I think might have it. Summit Racing, pretty much everywhere, man. Quick Google search to find it. Interval saying every 75,000 miles. I definitely think that's a little too long of an interval to be doing this. I'm thinking I, prefer to keep this probably like every 8 to 10,000 miles. Obviously check it. It's not that hard to see to get it out and check the condition of the filter. But like I said, it's been pushing 3.5 years around that time frame since it was installed. So definitely doesn't hurt to get it cleaned right now. All right, guys, the next step is gonna take the cleaner / detergent kit. Come with 2 things, an instruction manual. You're gonna have this. What you're gonna wanna do is spray both sides of the filter with this. Not go crazy on it, but let it spray on both sides, let it soak for 10 minutes. Once you're done soaking for 10 minutes, I'll show you what we're gonna do here. I already did that from the laundry room to the sink, but you're gonna wanna go ahead and use cold water, low pressure, you need like a hose outside, probably not the nozzle on it, and you're gonna spray from the clean side through the dirty side to push the grime out. So we'll see that here in a second, and then after that we'll let it dry. All right, guys, filter's been sitting for about probably 10-12 minutes. They want you to go ahead and clean it through with cold water from the clean side down. So this sits into the box like this. So this would be the cleaner side. This would be the dirtier side. So we did this for a couple of minutes, just showing you what it looks like. Obviously going through the cleaner side, so it pushes all the dirt out. It wasn't super dirty, but just want to show you. After this, we're just gonna let it dry. So it's fully dry, then I'll have to re-oil it. All right, guys. After cleaning with some cold water to increase the pressure a little bit. Still a little bit sediment inside. I don't know if you can see it in some spots here. Probably not. But overall, it's pretty clean. You need to go ahead and re-oil it once this is dry. You'll see that here. The next step. Until then, gonna let it dry. Probably good 24 hours. It's been over 24 hours and it is dry now. What we're gonna do is use this and go ahead and spray it about 3 inches off of this. And let it dry for 20 minutes. It's gonna be on the crowns. So these tips right here, going that back and forth.
Oh, that's real good.
And as you can see, I just sprayed that. Have a little overspray I need to clean up. Let this dry and I'll do this. All right, get it back installed. You're gonna go ahead and reverse order, drop the filter back in. You're gonna go ahead and screw these all down. There should be a total of 5 and all the access points. After that, you're good to go. Make sure you log it. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and follow. Next video, I'll be going ahead and doing the trans fluid as well as flushing the brake fluid. Again, for the track event here coming up on May 1st. So we're gonna be accessing this right here to go ahead and bleed the brakes, which is also the same as the clutch fluid, with some endless over there, as you guys can see on the shelf. So we'll be using an RF 650. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Appreciate it. Outro.